class 5. Today I am going to start with a new poem from your syllabus. As you know that you have two poems in your first unit test. One is The Months, written by Christina Rossetti, and another one is The Owl, and this poem has been written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. So we are going to start with this poem. At first I would like to say about the poet Alfred Lord Tennyson. So Alfred Lord Tennyson was one of the most important poets of English literature, and he was very famous for his poems like Ulysses, and then In Memoriam, and he was the poet from Victorian era. He was called poet laureate also. So now we are going to start with the poem The Owl. Students, please take out your book and turn to page number 148. There you will get the poem Owl, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. When cats run home and light is come, and dew is cold upon the ground, and the far off stream is dumb, and the wearing sail goes round, and the wearing sail goes round, alone and warming his 5 wits, the white owl in the belfry sits. So what does it mean? From the first line I am telling it that when cats run home and light is come. So it's the time of dawn. The cat went for some place, and the cat is running back to its home, and it is the time of dawn when the sun rises. Okay, so the cat runs home, and that means the cat is running back to its home, and it is the time of dawn, just the sun is rising, and dew is cold upon the ground. Dew, when we generally notice the dew at the time of dawn, at the time of morning, we can get the dew, that means dew drops. Okay, we get the dew drops on the ground. Okay, on the grasses, upon the grasses we can get it. So the dew is cold, and the dew is cold because it's generally the dew drops are cold, and we get it at the time of dawn in the morning, and it is just the dew is cold, and it is on the ground, and the far off stream is down. So above 2 lines that I have told that these are the timing I am talking about, it is the time of the morning. Okay, it's the time of the dawn. Okay, so and the far off stream is down. Far off stream means it's far away. The stream means narrow and short rivers are called generally streams, and the stream is far away. The stream is very far from the place, and it is very dumb. Why it is dumb? It is quiet. As maybe it is far away, so the poet is saying that they cannot get the sound of the water, or maybe it is it is the time of morning, so there was no chaos, and we don't get the sound of the river. Okay, and the wearing sail goes round. Wearing sail goes round. This sound, this wearing sail, here it is written. The meaning is also here. Humming sound by the vanes of the windmill turning round. If you have seen the windmills is actually produces the that means wind. Okay, so there we can get when the windmill is going on, so we get a sound, and this sound is called, that is the wearing sail. That wearing sail is going on and going on, and it goes round and round, And here you can say it is the 2 times it is written. The poet has written 2 times. Okay, it is written 2 times because the poet is putting emphasis upon the sound of the wearing sail. Okay, and as it is a very quiet place, it's the time of dawn, no people were there, and all the sounds, that means there were no such sounds, and the poet is saying only he got the sound of this windmill. Okay, alone and warming his 5 wits, the white owl in the belfry sits. So the owl is only sitting upon the belfry. What is the meaning of belfry? Belfry means here the church tower where bell is hung. If you have seen a church ever, so you will see at the top of the church there is a bell, and there is generally a seat can be adjusted, and there the seat there, that means the owl was sitting there, that means on the belfry the owl was sitting. Okay, so and alone, it was, the owl was alone, no one was there with the owl, and at that time the owl was warming his 5 wits. 5 wits, what is the meaning of 5 wits here? That means the 5 senses. The 5 senses, that means eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. We know that these are the 5 senses we have, and the owl was also utilizing its 5 wits or senses to understand the surrounding. So again I am explaining these lines. So when the poem starts, at that time we can see it is the time of the morning, it is the time of the dawn. A cat is returning back to its own home, and the light is coming, that means the light of the sun is coming. That means it is the time of the morning, it is the time of the dawn. And dew is cold upon the ground means the dew is there upon the ground, as it is the night goes and the day comes. So when the morning comes, that time what happened, we can see the dew drops upon the ground. Okay, and the far off stream is dumb. Far off stream means a stream means a very short river is called stream. So stream is far off, very far from the place, and poet is saying that there was no sound. There was no sound because maybe it was very far away from that place, so they cannot get any sound of the stream. What is the meaning of dumb here? Dumb means quiet. And only the sound of wearing sail. Wearing sail means the humming sound of the windmill. When the windmill goes on, that time there we will get a sound of the windmill, and that is called the wearing sail. So wearing sail goes round this because the windmill was also going on. So that time we get, the poet is saying that only the sound of wearing sail they can get. And here you will get the 2 lines, the same words are there in the 2 lines. So why? Because it is the poet wanted to put the emphasis upon the sound, because there was no other sound, only the sound of the windmill. Alone and warming his 5 wits, and at this moment the owl was sitting upon the belfry. Belfry means the top portion of the church, and the owl was sitting upon there, and the owl was only observing the surroundings with its 5 senses.